Hi guys, today I'm gonna make Nutri Siomai. This is mashed potato, garlic, onion. This is ground beef. This is mashed squash. This is one beaten chicken egg. This is salt, pepper, sugar. This is cornstarch. This is sesame oil. And this is smaller wrapper. And lastly, this is shrimp cube. First, put the ground beef. And then add the mashed squash. Use mashed potato.
Pour the beaten egg.
Pour the beaten egg.
Careful.
And then add cornstarch. Add onion.
Go. More.
And garlic. Brown sugar. But it's supposed to be white sugar. I don't have white sugar. Add salt. And pepper. And add the dissolved shrimp cube. Mix all the ingredients. I almost forgot to add the sesame oil, so I'll put it. Sesame oil. Place it inside the refrigerator for 12 hours. Prepare the mole wrapper. Add the Nutri Siomai in the middle of the mole wrapper. And then close the mole wrapper. Here's my Nutri Siomai. It needs to be steamed for 30 minutes.